I'm Joven from Talifa24. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to earn some passive income by using the Dent application. So guys, in this video, you will learn different ways to make money on Dent. Apart from that guys, you will learn how to recharge the Dent application. Apart from that, you will learn how to withdraw the money you earned through Dent app. So guys, before we get started, take time to subscribe my YouTube channel so as you can get different video showing how to make money online. So without wasting your time, just let's get started. So guys, if you don't have Dent application, you can download it in the description of this video. I put the link on description. So once you download the application, you will be in this place. There is two options to get started once you download the application. The first step, Dent will show you that you need to join Dent now. But if you have an account, you can click on I already have an account. But if you don't have account, you can click on join Dent now. So in case of me, I will click join Dent now. So once I click join Dent now, there is two options to sign in on Dent. The first option is sign in by using Google account. And the second step is signing in by using email. So to get started, I'm gonna use the first option, which is sign in with Google. So I will click on continue with Google. So once I click here, I will choose the account I wish to log in with it. Now let me choose this account. As you can see, once you join for the first time in Dent, you will get a 10 free Dent, as I get right now. So I receive a free Dent that I can use it, or I can redeem it into airtime. So I can buy airtime by using the Dent I get. So once I sign in, I will continue by clicking on let's go. Then you will need to accept the privacy policy of Dent. So I will click on accept the privacy policy. So you can see now I already joined on Dent. So once you log in, you will be in this place. So now I'm going to tell you the different ways you can make money on Dent. The first method you can use to make money on Dent is by doing a simple task every day by watching ads. To do that, you will click on the button titled Earn, the fourth button in the bottom of this application. So you click on Earn. So once you click on Earn, you see the amount of Dent I will receive for the first day. So for the first day, that means on tomorrow, I will unlock 6 Dent. And the following day, that means the second day, I will get 10 Dent. The third day, I will receive 16 Dent. The fourth day, I will receive 24 Dent. And the fifth day, I will receive a free 100 MB. So this is the first way to earn free Dent, and you can use it to get a free airtime. The second way is to earn some passive income on Dent is by referring a friend, and you can invite a friend by using Dent redeem code. So you will find your Dent redeem code and then you share with your friend. So once your friend join in Dent app using your redeem code, you will get some Dent. Another way to earn some passive income in Dent is by selling your data. In Dent, you can buy or sell data on Dent. In addition of that, by using Dent, you can buy airtime or you can buy internet data. For instance, I want to buy 0.2 GB in my phone. You see there is different package you can buy and recharge your phone. In order to buy, you will click your desired package. For instance, I will choose the second package. So once you choose that package, you will be required to put your phone number. Then you will be able to buy a data. Also, if you want to buy a voice call, that means a airtime, you want to call someone from another country, you can come on Dent and buy a voice call data. And the process is very, very simple. In order to buy a airtime via Dent, you will click here and then you will put your phone number. Like this, and then you will click and continue. And here is the package available in my country, which is Tanzania. So for 15 minutes you will spend this amount of Dent, and for 100 minutes you will spend 2,000 Dent. And if you don't have enough Dent, you can buy Dent by clicking on here on deposit Dent. There is different ways you can buy Dent. You can buy Dent by using PayPal or cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like stablecoin, and BAT. That means basic attention token. So this is the method available to buy Dent, and you buy those Dent either to get airtime or to buy internet data. Another question you may ask: how can I withdraw my fund I earned on Dent? The process of withdrawing your fund from Dent is quite simple. You click on left side of your application and click on your profile. So once you click on profile, you will see the button showing you to withdraw your Dent. So you can withdraw your Dent by using PayPal, credit card, or your mobile number. Another thing which is very, very important before using Dent to buy mobile data or airtime, you need your phone to be compatible, and some of the phones are not compatible with Dent. So in order to check, you will click on data button, then you'll check on, and then you'll scroll down and see the type of phone which is acceptable or which is compatible with Dent. That means those phones have a eSIM card. If your phone doesn't have eSIM card, you can't use Dent, or you can't buy Dent or mobile data or so in Apple smartphone, the supported Apple phone is Apple iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, iPhone SE 2020, iPhone XR, iPhone XX, and iPhone XX Max. For Google smartphone, and these are phones which are compatible. That means a Google Pixel 6 series, Google Pixel 5 series, Google Pixel 4 series, and Google Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL. And for Samsung, this is the most compatible phone. That means you can use his SIM card. And other smartphones include Huawei P40, Huawei P40 Pro, Motorola, Nu Mobile, and Rakuten Mini. So guys, this is how you can earn passive income by using Dent application. If you found this video helpful, just share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Guys, thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.